Sanshi Fullstar Electronics Company Limited is specialized in electronic and magnetic components. As one of the professional suppliers of electrical equipment and electronic components, our company is engaged in the research and development, production, sales and service of high-frequency transformer, toroidal transformer, low-frequency transformer, inductor and current transformer. The company's core competencies are technical knowledge and customer service. Committed to strict quality control and attentive customer service, our experienced staff are always on hand to meet your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. Our company can not only provide light customization services such as color, logo, and packaging, but also provide in-depth customization services such as structure, material, and independent mold opening. The products sell well in various provinces and cities across the country and are exported to Australia, South Korea, Japan, Spain, Singapore, Europe, and the United States and other countries and regions. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether choosing a standard product from our catalog or seeking custom engineering assistance, you can contact us to provide you with a wide range of electrical equipment and electronic components at affordable prices, fast delivery, strong technical support, and professional customer service. Our mission is delivering reliable core components for global electronics. Our vision is connecting globally, exploring boundlessly, your satisfactory choice for electronic components worldwide. For more information, please contact our sales staff and visit our factory. At anytime, we are eager to cooperate sincerely with you to create a better future together and provide satisfactory services for the development of China's manufacturing industry. We believe that we will continue to grow and go further with you.